Welcome to our guide on fixing common driver issues using Driver Booster. This tool is designed to automatically detect, update, and repair outdated or corrupted drivers on your system. Driver issues can cause device malfunctions, system crashes, and performance lags. Driver Booster effectively addresses these challenges by identifying and resolving problematic drivers, ensuring your system runs smoothly and efficiently. To get started, install Driver Booster on your PC. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to navigate. Once installed, you can perform a complete system scan to detect any driver-related issues. Driver Booster identifies problematic drivers and offers quick solutions. It allows you to update drivers in batches, schedule regular scans, and even back up existing drivers for safety. This ensures your system remains up-to-date and stable. Driver Booster's key features include batch updates, driver backups, and the ability to undo changes if needed. These features make it a go-to solution for maintaining your PC's health and performance. By the end of this guide, you'll be equipped to tackle driver issues confidently. Discover how Driver Booster can transform your troubleshooting experience and keep your system running smoothly.